Have you ever wondered who your spirit animal is? In this unique and transformative workshop, I will help you find the answer to this exact question. Hi, my name is Kelsey Keel, and I'm pleased to offer you a brand new online course. In my latest workshop, I will teach you how to discover and meet your power animal. By connecting with the spirit and energy of these sacred animals, you can tap into a source of deep healing, protection, guidance, and spiritual power. Whether you are hoping to overcome personal obstacles, explore your spirituality, or simply find a deeper sense of connection and purpose in your life, my workshop offers a safe and nurturing environment where you can connect with loving, compassionate, and benevolent spirit guides and unlock your true potential. Sign up today and discover the deeply transformative experience of embracing your power animal. I can't wait to see you there.